In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an archived page in Confluence. Sometimes important pages get archived by mistake, or you simply need to bring an old page back into active use. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can quickly restore any archived page within a specific space. First, open the Confluence space where the page was originally located. At the very top right of the space overview, look for the three-dot menu icon. This is often called the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This menu gives you extra options for managing the space beyond what you see on the main toolbar. From the drop-down that appears, select the option labeled Space Settings. This will take you to a dedicated area where you can configure and manage different aspects of that space, including its content, permissions, and appearance. You may need the right level of access to see this option, so if you don't see space settings, check with your Confluence admin or a space administrator. Once you're in space settings, look for a section or tab called Content. Click on Content. This section is where Confluence groups everything related to the pages in your space. Current pages, drafts, and also archived pages. Think of it as the content control center for the space. Inside the content area, find and click on the Archived option. This will filter the view to show only the pages that have been archived in this space. You should now see a list of all the archived pages, including their titles and possibly additional details like when they were archived. Browse through the list and locate the specific page you want to bring back. When you find it, look for the three-dot menu next to that page entry. Click on these three dots. This opens a small context menu with actions you can perform on that archive page. From this menu, select Restore. Once you click Restore, Confluence will move that page out of the archived section and back into the active page tree for the space. The page will generally return to its previous position in the hierarchy, so you